to Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Make sure you click that little button on the right to subscribe to my channel. I'm always putting up new videos to help you in your journey to higher awareness and consciousness. And right now we're at a critical time as we continue to move very quickly with the energy that's coming in. And this is a great time to end karmic contracts that you have. So what does that mean? So your whole life basically is a contract. You came here to have an emotional experience. That's your big karmic contract. And then you have contracts with other people that we decided we wanted to be around and connect with so we could have our experience. So this, of course, starts with your parents who you selected before you came, your siblings, and then it continues from there. It could be work relationships, partners that you have, romantic relationships. So what you want to do right now is look at your life and where you are and say to yourself, are there any people or situations in my life that I feel like the cycle has come to an end? Now, this could be a relationship that you have. This could be a job that you have. This could be a business that you're in where you realize that, we've all been in relationships in life where you knew there came a point where it was over. And it doesn't mean it was good or bad. We don't judge it. We just know that, you know what? Yeah, I was going out with this person. We went out for a while. It was fine, but it kind of ran its course and we've basically gone as far as we can go. You can have this with jobs or businesses or different opportunities where you realize I've come to the end. So it's important for us, which a lot of people tend to do, and I've done it, we've all done it, instead of dragging it out when we know it's really over, it's a really good thing to do is to decide that you're going to end it. And you need to put it to an end. Now, again, you're not looking to hurt anybody, but if this relationship is no longer working, depending on any level, it could be with your family, it could be with parents, whatever the case, or it has to be restructured in a different way, but the contract is over and it's important for you to be the one to end it. Because if you don't end it, it won't end. It'll recycle and keep coming back around over and over and over again. Now, I'm going to be doing a free webinar on April 19th, which is about ending your karmic contracts. And you can get that at shiftyoursoul.com. It'll be April 19th. If you can't make it live, just register and I will also send you the recording. So I will be recording it. So it's going to be about, again, as I said, ending your karmic contracts. So go to shiftyoursoul.com and sign up there. It's free to attend. And like I said, I'll also send you a webinar recording so you have it just in case you missed it. But don't forget, this is an important time for you to end things that are not working for you. It's going to really accelerate your energy and help you move forward. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the webinar. Keep up the great work.